Affiliate Marketing Mastery, your step-by-step guide to success. Beginning affiliate marketing requires a number of steps. Here is a step-by-step instruction sheet to get you going. Step 1. Choose your niche. Choose a specialty that appeals to your interests and has a market. You can concentrate your efforts and provide pertinent material as a result. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs that fit your preferred niche. Think about elements including commission rates, payment schedules, and the affiliate program's standing. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. Join the affiliate programs you have selected. Typically, you will be required to submit some basic data and accept their terms and conditions. Step 4. Build a platform. To promote your affiliate items, create a platform. This could be a social media presence, blog, website, YouTube channel, podcast, or a combination of these. Make sure your platform is both aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. Step 5. Create high-quality content. Create informative and interesting material for your niche. This might be articles on blogs, videos, reviews, lessons, and more. Put your attention on offering the knowledge and answers that your target audience is looking for. Step 6. Incorporate affiliate links. Put your affiliate links in your article in a considered way. Make sure they are appropriate for the subject and natural. You don't want to appear spammy by stuffing your content with too many affiliate links. Step 7. Disclose your affiliate relationships. Tell your readers about your affiliate relationships in an ethical manner. A disclaimer on your website or in your content can do this. Gaining your audience's trust through transparency. Step 8. Drive traffic to your platform. To draw users to your platform, promote your content. To drive targeted traffic, make use of SEO strategies, social media marketing, email marketing, and other tools. Step 9. Build an email list. Invite website visitors to join your email list. This enables you to directly market affiliate products to your audience while cultivating relationships with them. Step 10. Analyze and optimize. Analyze the results of your affiliate marketing campaigns on a regular basis. Keep track of statistics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Utilize this information to better your strategy and outcomes. Step 11. Diversify your income. In order to vary your income streams, look into various affiliate programs and items. This can lower hazards and boost your potential income. Step 12. Stay updated and adapt. The environment of affiliate marketing is always changing. Keep abreast on market developments, algorithm updates, and new advertising strategies. Be prepared to modify your tactics as necessary. Keep in mind that effective affiliate marketing requires time and effort. It's crucial to give your audience value and gradually earn their trust. Your affiliate marketing efforts might develop into a sizable source of income as you continue to improve your tactics and expand your audience. Thank you for watching this video. See you next segment.